Welcome everybody. We are here again with the unboxing of the subscription box from Mindful Souls. This time is going to be number 10, so let's start with it. We have the brochure where we are going to find about the items that we receive each month in the box. I need it as a reference to let you know what I have in the box. So we have the sticker. It says think positive and positive things will happen. Very good to start. After we have the card. This is a manifestation card, and this time is affirmation for manifesting love. And it says, as I focus on all the love around me, I attract even more love into my life. Okay, so this box is basically about love and self-love as well. Okay, the first item I can see here is this exfoliating round body scrubber. This is for removing dull, dry and damaged skin. Is to feel better about our skin and our image. So we start with something related to ourselves. So this here says intentions for self-love and renewal. And it says use daily or weekly depending on how sensitive your skin is. Picture all stuck feelings leaving your body and fresh sense of excitement taking their place. Very good. So let's see what else do we have here. Okay. Ooh, this is good and it's very heavy as well. I'm gonna leave it for the end. Now we go with the second item. As you know, everything comes wrapped in these branded bags. They look organic. And what we have here is a bracelet. As you can see here, is an orange bracelet. And it is a pink aventurine bracelet. For me, it looks more like a yellow jasper, but it says, make this bracelet your date night must have. Wear it on your right wrist to project the crystal energy outward and influence your interactions with others. So it goes in this hand, but for me, I don't see it pink as the picture here. As you can see in the picture, it looks a pink bracelet. I see it more orange, but it's okay, I like it anyways. I'm gonna start wearing it. Of course, we have to clean and reset all these items. Now we go with this one. This is a big bag as well, but the item inside is not big. Let me see. Oh, how nice. It looks like a bookmark. Let's see what it says. This is a clear quartz bookmark. The intentions is for universal love and empathy, and it's for all the elements. And it says use it to mark your current self-growth read for your manifesting journal or even your daily agenda. So this is a very nice thing that we receive here as well. Very good. Now we move with the third one. Oh, it's a ring. Look. I love it. What is this? Green fluorite ring. Okay, today I'm matching with it because I have my fluorite bracelet. I made it myself. So this is green. And it says that it's for friendship, bonds, and trust. Element water, chakra, throat. And it says, if you are looking to attract new friendships, wear it to places where you might meet like-minded people, parties, yoga, volunteer activities, or even your favorite coffee shop. Very nice. I really like these things, you know, this mindful box, the best part of it is the surprise. Every time I open it, I feel like excitement to see what I'm gonna get, because, you know, it's nice to get something that you are not expecting and you don't choose, because you never know these messages, these things coming into your life could have a symbolism. So it's good to get things like this. So here, what do I have? It's a stone, and it's a very big stone. Here you can see in my hand we have an ocean agate palm stone. I love the colors. You have green, red, and the intention is for family connections and patience. Element water, chakra, throat. And it says, put it in the shared area where your family spends most of its time. This could be a living room, the kids' playroom, or even the kitchen. So we have a nice unifying stone. It's a palm stone. It's very original. It has this opening in the back. This is very unique, you know. Even everybody is receiving this kind of stones. I don't think you will get the same. So this is very, very unique, particular, and special. Excellent. Let me put it here. What else? We have the ring, the palm stone, the bookmark. We have the exfoliating body scrub, and this is the last one this time. It's very heavy. I left it for the end. Ooh, it's round. Ooh, what is this? Look at this. Let me see. We have an Himalayan salt soap. It's the first time in my life that I see one of these. Intentions, self-love and relaxation. Element, earth. Chakra, root. And it says we get what probably the most important love type, self-love. Show yourself some deserved appreciation with a relaxing shower that helps you forget all the worries of the day. Use as your daily cleansing method for an especially calming shower that not only leaves your skin refreshed but also soothes your senses. Wow, I love it. So we have a lot of things here for self-care, self-love to use in ourselves, because you know, I think it's a nice start. Why? Because if we don't love ourselves first, it's not going to be very easy to be able to love healthily somebody else. So now that we have all these elements, I don't even think that they work by themselves. It's everything connected to the mind and our purpose and what we expect of the situation. So this, I will wear them as a reminder of self-love, of appreciation to ourselves. We have to be very grateful for all that we have, especially our bodies, our minds, our health. That's the most important, because no matter where we are, this is what will take us anywhere we want to go. So I really love this box. Let me see if I'm missing anything. So as always, it's for love and connection, and it talks about every kind of love. And love and connection, it has a ritual as well here. It's a difficulty 2 ritual that you can do with these elements, and it also have some instructions and some advices for us to get more involved in connecting ourselves with love and fall in love with yourself with 5-week habits. So it says get some laughter in, bring out your inner artist, treat yourself to random surprises, take a break from screens, put self-care on your to-do list. So they are giving us all these tools to start at some point, but we need to continue to grow our self-esteem and to grow our self-love, because that's the most important that we have. And at the end, like always, it says get a quick look at your next box. If your busy schedule tends to get in the way of your mindful journey, you can't miss your upcoming box. What if we say you could enjoy gemstone protection, set strong intentions, and feel good vibes even when you are on the move? That's right, next month it's all about incorporating crystal power into your daily routine with this. So this was Mindful Soul subscription box number 10. I love it. I'm gonna start using all these things tonight. So I love everything they bring here. So thank you for being there. Thank you for listening to this video, and subscribe for more information and for more videos like this. Thank you very much.